About 3.5 years ago today, I was in a pretty bad situation. I had £200 left in my bank account and didn't have a clue what I wanted to do with my life. Now, although at this point I'd had about 3 years experience already within the industry, I felt really unsettled and I just didn't want to tile whilst working for someone else. Now, with not many options left, with the lack of money in the bank account, I decided to pick the trowel back up and get back to work. At the time, I'd been spending about 2 years training Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu full time, and I dropped it all to start getting consistent work in and earning some money. I started off by getting myself some small jobs, kitchen splashbacks, little floors. And although I could have taken on some larger, more impressive work through builders, I never really enjoyed working for people. So I started off at the very bottom and worked my way up, taking photos of all of my work, taking videos for social media to have this online portfolio. Now, thanks to all of you lot, this content creation, the video making, the work that I'm now getting in is a result of all of the support I've been receiving from everyone over the past couple of years. And this is just a massive thank you and a little bit of an insight into my history and where I've come from and how I got here. And I just want to say a massive thank you to everybody that's helped me get to this point, because I've genuinely never been happier when it comes down to work. Along the journey, I've now made some unbelievable friends within this industry. I work with some amazing companies. And once again, it is all down to this, the creation of what has happened. And honestly, I could have never planned it if I'd like to, but here we are. And once again, a massive thank you from the bottom of my heart. If there's anything any of you guys need, I'm always here, and I'll see you guys on the next one.